what do you think? What's happening in Bangladesh?
You see, what is happening and that Bangladesh was created on secular Bangla nationalism, and there are 20 million minorities who are not Muslims who live in Bangladesh. And the Constitution of Bangladesh clearly tells you in Article 41, it talks about freedom of religion. Article 27, 28 talks about equality before law. And Article 12 of Bangladesh Constitution talks about secularism. Now, I sincerely hope that the tensions don't escalate between India and Bangladesh. And whatever is happening in Bangladesh in terms of what happened to the sad incident of Deepu Chandra Das and Amrit Mandal is contrary to their own constitutional mandate. And I hope that Mr. Yunus will ensure that all the minorities living in Bangladesh are protected. But at the same time, we must remember that the stability in Bangladesh is very important for security of India, especially Northeast. A popular revolution has happened in Bangladesh, and we hope that when the elections are held in February, relationship between India and Bangladesh will improve for good. And we must also remember that, this ISI, China, and all these forces which are inimical to India have now, are now in Bangladesh. And also the Standing Committee of External Affairs, which I'm a member of, it said that this is the greatest strategic challenge to India since the independence of Bangladesh in 1971. But at the same time, please understand that we cannot forget what is happening in our country. On December 24th, a laborer for West Bengal, Joel Sheikh, was lynched in Odisha's Sambalpur. A tribal boy doing MBA in Uttarakhand was beaten up, Angel Chakma, he died. Athar Hussain, a poor, grocery vegetable seller, was lynched. His ear, his fingers and feet were cut. A rod was inserted in his body. So these are all clear examples of how when rule of law breaks and majoritarian politics overtakes everything, these lynchings happen when we have to condemn it. As far as our party is concerned, we condemn what happened to Deepu Chandra Das and Amrit Mandal, and we support whatever Government of India steps which they are taking to ensure that relationship with Bangladesh remains stronger.